Hi guys. Yeah. We saw is it a raspberry?
Wild raspberry.
Wild one. Oh, there. Oh, it's everywhere. Is it okay to pinch? There's more. Oh, there. Okay, we stop here. There. Stop here.
No, they're right here.
Oh, here.
This is where they all
Okay. Woo. Oh, wow. Hala, raspberry. Alrighty.
It's not raspberry and you die.
I like it when it's free. It tastes better, isn't it, Bri?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Wild raspberries.
Just here.
Raspberry.
We go and get some raspberry.
I'll pick some bananas while we're here. There's wild bananas over there.
What?
In bags.
You're gonna get in trouble by the owner. Okay, we go. Gonna go and have a look. Gonna go and have a look at some raspberry. Oh, here. See? Oh,
Bit late.
here.
Chewed.
Is it? No, here. Oh, look. Oh. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Got some nice raspberry. Are we not gonna get into trouble? It's alongside the road.
Hey!
Pao.
Aren't you eating?
Well, I only got one hand. Nice. Yummy. Lummy.
Me?
Wow.
Wild
That's a
raspberry.
lot. Take it home.
Like strawberries.
Some, How to eat this?
No. Take the fairy bit off.
Yummy. Here we are. We're back in Babinda and we have the turn off. I'm just gonna turn my camera the other way. Turn here. It's about 15 minutes, is it right?
Yeah, 15 minutes
From
to...
here to Babinda Boulders. This is their little town. And we're here. There's got a few people around. Cute. Beautiful.
I didn't realize they lived here.
Probably live maybe locally. Maybe.
I didn't realize they live in the wild in Australia actually.
No.
They do?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so, right? Yeah.
They're not native here.
Yeah, this one I was
Yeah.
surprised. Yeah.
Probably someone who lives
Yeah,
here
yeah,
owns it.
Maybe a pet.
Are you alright?
I'm trying to make it put its tail up.
Yeah, it would be nice. It's still so beautiful. Just so beautiful.
They like red. They like bright coloured.
Oh, are they? Wow. Maybe that's why it was hanging around before in the blue one. Blue car.
Hadlock kanina doon.
Papa!
There's a car.
Wow. Oh my god.
Bakit kasi?
That's so beautiful.
Hello, you nearly left like his tail. Stop stalking me. Just want my privacy. Perfect shot.
That's so beautiful.
Stand up, Krisha.
Wow.
So what are you looking at?
We got this one. We call this one tambis. You can eat that one. The legend of the boulders. You're right. Ano ka? Lolo.
I'm like a bird. Look, check this out. Ready? Look, ready?
Hello, wow.
You can only buy by yourself. I want to swim there. I want to swim there. I want to swim there. Oh, look how dark it is. Maybe it's just because of the algae, or is it how it's
Look like it might rain. There's a rain coming. This one's a bit dangerous. Kind of leaning. Uy, daplay kay kana galin ra ba na siya? Cross kina diri ron.
I put fencing around here finally.
There was fencing here. They just replaced it.
This galvanized pipe.
Ah, okay.
Pipes were always there, but we never had.
Yeah, I'm looking at her. Look, I'm looking at her. Whoa. She's got
Get some!
She's got her ears.
Look
She's got
at all
some
the
piercing.
wild raspberry down there.
What was happening here, pa? The story. It was
The story is that an Aboriginal girl who married an older Aboriginal man fell in love with a younger man, and they both ran away to be together, but the elder man
the
had a lot
husband.
of power, and they found out where they were, and
And
they the elder and the other Aboriginals grabbed the young man, but she was able to get away and she leapt into the water and she drowned in there. And the story is that every time a young man swims in there, she grabs them and drowns them, takes them to their death. And a lot of the time the police divers can never find the men that disappear in this waterhole, Devil's Pool.
it's a well-known, very dangerous waterhole to swim.